system configuration it will be changed customer to customer. Okay, after mobile phase flow it will go to the pump. After pump it will go to the mixer. After mixer it will go to the injector. After injector column over, then detector, then drive. This flow diagram is very important. Tomorrow how it is running flow means you should tell mobile phase, pump, mixer, injector, column, detector, then drive. This is the flow diagram. Okay, based on our just heating purpose, only our mainly changing the mobile phase based on dilute or solubility. Then after mobile phase, after that the column, which sample, which column is the suitable, which where it is eluting. After the detection part. Okay, this three part is very important. Mobile phase, column, detector. Maximum negative. Okay, HPLC operation procedure. Power on backside buttons. Power on backside button. This is the, if in case I am not there also, based on this SOP you can continue. Okay, power on the backside power button. Okay, next to LC20AD pump A already labeled. Okay, my cursor is already labeled pump A. Next to LC20AD pump B. And detector. Next to SPDM M40 PDA detector. CTO. Next CTO 10. This is the code, sir. Shimajo code, not in specific code. This model code. Okay. CTO 10 ASP column oven. Power on. All four this bracket. Then 2. This is the power side. Is the back side.
Detector is back side.
Detector is the back side.
So this is the order we need to follow.
Yes, any direction also is okay, but it should be on all the model, not in the direction. In the direction also nothing it will happen, but it should be, each model should be power on. Okay. Only one detector on the back side, remaining and all front axis only. 1, 2, 3, and this is the back side power button. Look like this power button. Okay. Up to this is the power on. Okay. Keep the mobile phase. Next step, or select the mobile phase. Select the mobile phase based on our application. Based on example, capping standard. Example, capping standard. Mobile phase A is water. 30%. Mobile phase B is methanol. 70%. Total flow. Flow rate. Flow rate, yes. Flow rate 0.8 ml. This is the capping. Maybe tomorrow your sample, based on that you have to select it. What is mobile phase A, what is the mobile phase B, what is the flow rate.
So we can change the flow rate also.
Flow rate, anything. I will show you through software. Okay, up to this level. Then open purge valve. Next step.
30% water means?
See, for example, 1 ml flow rate. 1 ml flow rate, sir. 30% is the water, 70% is the organic solvent.
No. These two bottles are there.
Yes. For example, A it will suck 30%, B it will suck in the 70%. Because only 100% water I am running, no peak. 100% organic solvent I will run, each and everything it will merge and it will elevate fast. Should be combination always.
So these two mix in the mixture.
Yes, in the mixer. That is the main reason we give.
So one we have to keep water and another one is
methanol or anything.
So plain 1 mg.
1 mg.
1 mg is
Dual. See, already the label is there. Open and close. Already in the this one. What you open is the left side always. Always left side open. Open purge valve. Press purge button. Pump A and B. Should not forget anyone. Open purge valve. Press pump A and pump B. Both. Pump A and B. Both. Close the purge valve. A button. Press pump A button and pump B button. In the purge, then press A pump and B pump. Okay, I will show you after 3 minutes. You can continue. Column next. Sorry, before only we need to connect actually. Before pressing only we need to write here actually. Before connect the required column. Connect the required column.
Before pressing.
Before pressing only.
Before pressing purge button.
Purge button. So not purge button, normal. After purge you are closing.
Before pressing pump A and pump
B. Before that line you can write it down one line. Connect the required column. You ask no.
This is out.
No. This is the in. Always in. This is the out. Always.
Towards the outside.
Outside. Detector side. Detector side always. Okay. This is the 250 4.65. Any micron also applicable. Any vendor also applicable. Not only Shimano. Any vendor.
Other than this column, diagram column.
Yes. Any
type of
column. Any type of column is applicable. Just we need to buy requirement column. Required application. See, today based on your application, you are telling chiral application. Upper side is the detector inlet. Okay. Just see. For example, just to rotate it. Okay. Just little bit tight. Okay. Hand tight is sufficient. Then upper side.
Just again rotate.
Again rotate it. See, before unit is completed, just close the already written, close the purge valve, already written, sir. Just to close the manual type. Before purging, you have to connect it. But why I am telling that time now? You should be remembering purpose.
Yeah.
Okay? Yes, sir. Then press pump A and pump B. See, pump A and B. Now press. Now is going on. Okay, up to this level is sufficient for the hardware. After few minutes, next line you can write it down. After 5 to 10 minutes, any leakage is there, check all modules. Unfortunately, it will leak. Okay, and 100% it won't leak. Maybe just you have to, before start, you have to look it one time. Any leakage is there, check all modules. For example, all modules means already leak sensors is there each module.
Yes.
Okay, just look into one time any leakage is there, any flow of water is coming outside. Okay, here also leak sensors is there, any leakage is there, just look into one time. Okay, up to this level hardware side is sufficient. PC power on morning itself. First PC power on back side. Okay, normal regular power on button. Okay, power on button. After that OS password. Just because maybe you on private organization, that's why I am telling. Just you remembered, maybe another people they don't know. Just OS password enter. In desktop next line. In desktop, click lab solution icon. Enter ID and password. I will give you, sir, your Geetham at the rate 1 2 3 4 5 like that. I will give you. Just leave it blank. After that, let's blank. This is whatever I am typing is the our Spinco vendor. I will give you yours. I will give full rights. Like for example, you have to decide what is the ID, what is the password. You have to tell me. I will create it. No problem. Okay. Ours is the OQ underscore user. Okay. Password is the Spinco. 20.
And that is our username is admin and password is spinco@123. One backup as sensor.
Yes, that is very important.
Okay.
If in case you forgot 2 3 password, that minimum 2 password is required. In our case, see, after 6 months, unfortunately, software is not open. Alternate some secret password. That admin password should not share anyone actually.
And that is our open with username ID is admin and
yes,
password is
yes, sir.
spinco@123.
Just I will give you your ID, your password. Okay. Click lab solution icon, enter user ID and password, and click instrument. Next level, click instrument. Click instrument icon. Double click HPLC 01. Double click HPLC 01 icon. Double click HPLC 01 icon. See, for example, this icon, I'm double click. One beep sound it will come. That beep indication is software is communicated to hardware. Just to please remember, any washing persons is there should not disturb backside because this Ethernet cable, power cable, and the module to module configuration is a little bit careful.
Okay.
Then next line, it will show LC ready, PDA ready. Window it will show actually after communication. Go to file.
Go to file.
Select new method file. See, this is the window actually. Once your communication is up in LC ready, PDA ready. Okay. Unfortunately, some miscommunication. It won't show is ready. It shows some error, or otherwise whatever message is there, it will show here. Okay. LC ready, PDA ready. Go to file, select new method file. See, for example, this is the file. Select new method file. Click advanced. Click advanced. Click advanced.
Click advance.
Here, click advanced. LC stop time. Next line you can write it down. LC stop time. See, today 5 minutes I am giving. Maybe tomorrow is a 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours. It depends upon your application. This it will be vary. Okay. Today I am running caffeine now. Okay. Just 5 minutes is sufficient. LC stop time. Enter 5 minutes and apply to all. Click. Apply to acquisition time. Apply to all acquisition time.
This will run for only 5 minutes.
Only 5 minutes means one injection. Maybe next injection another 5 minutes. This is totally depends upon your column, mobile phase, and your sample illusion. Depends upon lot of parameters is behind. Okay, caffeine
So
only 5
once
minutes.
LC runtime again 5 minutes now, sir.
Okay.
So one injection.
Yes.
For second injection again.
Another
they have
5
said-
minutes. No need to set
No
5
need to
minutes.
set, okay.
Only just I will show you.
Okay.
See, this is the new method creation.
It's okay.
New method.
Okay.
Existing method how to use I will tell you.
Okay.
No need to create.
Okay.
Just go to file, open method file,
Open the
download.
method file, okay.
Okay. Click on mode select binary gradient. Mode select. Sir, you are able to see?
Yeah.
Huh?
No.
Because maybe in this video also.
Yeah.
Mode select binary gradient.
Binary gradient.
Total flow 0.8 ml. See, this it will be vary this
Very
value.
good.
This caffeine purpose I know what is the total flow, what is the B percentage I am giving, water percentage, organic
Total
solvent.
flow means flow rate.
Flow rate, yes. Flow rate is 0.8 ml.
So it will be vary from according to our method.
Yes, 100%. Okay. B pump B.
How much portions we are doing?
Yes. Okay. 70% means remaining water is the 30% it will take. Give me sir that in the water. Okay. Total flow written, B percentage you written, and pressure limit is 6000 psi.
Pressure limit.
Pressure limit. Remaining parameters don't touch. Only what we require, that only you have to write in it.
So you can compulsory mention PSA or otherwise
Yes.
you can change to megapascal.
Yes, sir. Total 4 options is there.
Okay.
MPa, kgf, bar, PSI. That anything you can change it.
Okay.
Okay.
Is it necessary to fix this pressure?
Pressure is max pressure is 100%.
So it is maximum.
Maximum is the 6300.
So
6000 is
depending upon the
sufficient.
flow rate, the pressure will be changed.
But whatever flow rate, it should be keeping in the higher side.
Higher
That is
side.
better.
Okay.
Okay. Click LC. Here note you can write it down. Caffeine not required. LC time program. Caffeine not required. But today is the first training program. That is the main reason. Take one photo. How to
LC.
write it up. LC time program. Keeping purpose today not required, sir. Maybe tomorrow if any application is coming, how to write gradient program, I'm telling
Okay,
you.
for gradient.
Gradient program. Just keeping not required. Just write it down. LC time program. Next option. LC time program. Just see, for example, 0 point. Just example, take
0
any one
minute time.
take any one photo, or otherwise you can write it down here. First option is the time. First option is the time. Second option module. You can write it down, sir. Time, module, comment, and value. What is the use? I will tell you. Take better a photo. That is better.
So for gradient illusion,
Gradient illusion purpose. Take one photo. What is the use? Also, I will tell you. Just wait, sir. After completion, we will take it. Example. What is this gradient programming? Okay. See, what is once running injection we cannot edit. After completion, you can modify. You can run one more time also. Once taken, acquisition parameter taken means all are disabled mode actually.
Okay.
After this 5 minutes, you can do anything.
No, say that,
Question is question.
Yeah.
Can you
like,
repeat one more time?
Yeah, that if I program for 15 minutes.
Yes, 15
Okay.
minutes. Okay.
My desired compound I
10 minutes. Sir.
5 minutes early, 5 minutes comes.
Come.
Okay. So in that condition, should I stop the machine and
Yes. Then
do
next
purging and all these?
Purging,
No need of
okay.
purging.
Purging not required. You can stop it. You can run one more injection
more
also.
injection.
That time no need to run 15 minutes. Sir. Next injection, modify. For example, your run time is 15 minutes. Sir. For example, what I understood your question, you given already 15 minutes. Sir.
Yeah.
Your required compound and desired compound is allotted 5 minutes. Sir.
Yeah.
Next you can stop it here.
Yeah.
Next to same sample or different sample you want to run it means no need to run 15 minutes. Sir. You can stop it here 5 minutes. You can change some method parameter here. You can stop it. You can run one more time.
Yeah, that means I can stop at that time.
Yes,
also.
you can stop.
Yeah.
You can stop. 100%. That is the total hour and only.
Yeah.
See, for example, 15 minutes I given program.
Yeah.
My requirement peak is 5 minutes only. Stop. Allotted. Why I have to wait 10 minutes? Not
Next time
required. You can
onwards
stop
you can
it.
give for 6 or
Stop
7
it.
minutes.
And next time you can give 5 minutes or 6 minutes. It's sufficient. Okay. This is the only understanding purpose I written actually. Not required. This is the KFN actually. Okay.
Do all these things.
Okay.
It's all
Right.
isocratic.
Isocratic. Okay. Then click PDA. Next option. Click PDA. Select lamp. Select lamp D2. Actually here PDA detector. What is the advantage means? You can use method development purpose PDA detector. Method development purpose is the first option. Then peak purity option, wavelength selection. If in case you don't have UV, you can utilize this UV as a UV. Also utilize
Both UV and
PDA. Okay. PDA purpose is the method development purpose, peak purity purpose, wavelength selection purpose. Okay. In this case, D2 lamp and W lamp. D2 range is 190 to 400 option is there. For W lamp is the 400 to 800 option is there. If in case your desired compound is below 400, you can select in the D2 lamp.
Okay.
Your required compound is 400. You can select in the W lamp. Sir, I don't know anything. My compound is unknown, completely unknown. You can select in the both lamp. D2 and W lamp. What is the advantage means? Unnecessary consumption lamp power is saving purpose. Energy is wasting. Okay, approximately just I am telling tentatively, don't take that one value. Approximately 20,000 is the D2 lamp. If in case you are not required, if in case your sample analysis is not required, you can select only D2 lamp, W lamp. Which lamp is required, that lamp only you can select it. Okay, for unknown compound you can select both lamp. Totally depends upon your requirement. Okay, here total options we given because once the lamp energy is completed 2000 hours, 5000 hours means we need to replace that lamps consumables. Okay, just D2, W and D2 and W lamp is available. Okay, D2 range if you require you can write it down there. D2 Rasera, D2 is the 190 to 400 W lamp.
white lamp.
Yes, deuterium lamp. Deuterium lamp. W is the tungsten lamp. Tungsten lamp. Okay, this option is very important. Today my case is the caffeine purpose. D2 lamp is sufficient. I am saving energy. W lamp. One why unnecessarily on. Okay, starting wavelength, start wavelength, next line sir.
Okay.
This is the D2 lamp selection. Okay. Then start wavelength, end wavelength,
Okay.
190 to 800.
192.
800. To 800. Okay. Remaining parameter don't touch. Okay. Click column oval. Next. Click column oval. Click column oval. Maximum temperature 85. Maximum temperature 85. Minimum temperature, room temperature minus 15. Maximum 85 will reach this oven up to 85. Minimum is room temperature minus 15. If in case you are maintaining room temperature 25, it will reach 15. You are maintaining 30, it will reach 15. 20 maintaining minus 5, like that. Okay, right now caffeine not required actually. Okay, controller don't touch. Controller don't touch.
No need to select appropriate wavelength here.
Oven temperature.
No, sir.
No, not required. I will just assume as a unknown. Now I know caffeine, I will show you unknown. Okay, don't touch controller. Then download and close. Click download and close. Download and close. Okay, let's demo one. Okay, give method name. Give method name. Give method name. Today I am given demo.
Okay.
Give method name and save. See sir, for example, you asked some question. Take 5 minutes I given. I don't want to run 5 minutes. Next time what to do? Directly file, open method file. Existing method already I created. What I created? Demo one I created. For example, anything modification is possible. Modification in the sense, I will show you. Extension 10 minutes also. In case lamp also, some another lamp also.
So
You
then
can
go
take
for
anything.
edit instrument panel.
Yes. Open method actually.
Open method. Then
Open. You can modify anything. File, open method
Okay.
file. Presently I change, not required now. Select any one method, existing method. You can modify any parameter, then download.
okay.
Okay, that option is there. Okay,
So here we can, after open method file means, then go to edit parameter.
edit parameter. Next line, click single in the click start single run. Click start single run. Sample name is one put I will standard
Then you have the sample name.
name and ID. Your I see these and all nothing but text word.
Text
Anything you can
word.
write it down. But that edit and whatever you given after 1 month, after 6 months, after 1 year, it should be remembering purpose. Either sample name you can put it caffeine or whatever it is, and your case ID is the your wish.
Yes.
Okay. For example, today I will keep it in the 0903 20 or 223 and 001. Sample name, sample ID, enter sample name, sample ID and data file. Method file automatically default it will come. Already we created
Data file?
Data file.
Okay.
Okay. Then injection volume. 20 ml, sir. Maximum is the loop capacity is the 20 ml. You can enter 20 ml. 20 microliter. Okay. See, for example, start single run means please remember sample name, sample ID, method file default it will come. Data file we need to give. Okay. Then injection volume.
So here the
Remaining
data
parameter.
file we have to use, sir?
Yeah.
Any number we can
Anything you can give. That is nothing but word. But you have to remember, for example, caffeine is the standard you run. Put a standard.
Okay.
Sample you want to run, sample. Okay. Please remember this terminology: sample name, sample ID, method file, data file, and injection volume. Remaining parameters don't touch. And click OK. Next, click OK. Sir, now we can give. Okay. After single cell should not have this message. This is the message allotment. Okay. Now I will take it. This syringe also be careful because maybe 1% to 1% proper washing. See now caffeine is the diluted in the water, that is the medicine water. In case your sample is the methanol water, acetonitrile water, whatever you dilute, that should be proper wash in the syringe. Otherwise carry over it will contamination. Okay. Now how much I am taking also this syringe capacity I think so up to 25 microliter. How much I am injecting also loop capacity is only 20 ml only it will take. In case 50 ml you can take it and you can inject, but it will inject only 20 ml only. Just roughly I am taking.
Suppose if you will take less than 20 means?
You have to measure accurate this syringe itself. See, that is also a good question. I want to inject only 10 microliter, 5 microliter. You have to measure like this approximately.
Why? Because if you inject 20 microliters, that
Yes.
PKA will get more.
Yes, yes. Actually, this watt basis means totally depends upon your concentration. Concentration of the sample of sample.
So if any air bubble will come,
That is the main reason. Little bit one time you have to push it like this. It will go. If in case air bubble is there also, nothing it will happen. It is a very small quantity. Nothing it will happen. Okay. After message, this is the already see. This is the load position and inject position. Always by default load position is there. Okay. See load and injector. Okay. Now load position, injector, load position, inject the sample. Okay, just see, look like normal only, inject. Okay, just push it.
sample into loop, na sir?
Loop. Okay.
So then injection position.
Injection position. Nothing it will happen because first time now I am doubting. I will take more quantity. Then how much also 20 ml and it will. That is important.
Sir, we can keep in load position.
Load position only is there.
You know, so
See load position only is there. See upper side is the load position. Excess volume it will come out sir actually. Excess volume here. So you will start. Click start. Just wait 5 minutes.